Hey there, how was doing? This is Kali from Tech Fancier. So we already made one video on MI home experience couple of months before, and in that video I messed up lot of things with MI products. In that video I mostly covered household products and home equipments like Kadai.
My pan.
So last week we got the invitation from MI Bangalore FC to attend the MIUA workshop in MI Home in Indiranagar. And this MI Home is one of the largest newly opened MI Home in Bangalore. It has two floors. In ground floor it consists of phones, laptops and televisions, and the second floor consists of home and lifestyle products. Well, first we talk about the core of this event. So we attended the workshop of MI user interface. After doing that MI Home experience video, a lot of guys personally commented that, bro, I'm getting a lot of ads in MI apps, and this is because of the front end of MI UI. So this workshop is the right place to know about that. In the workshop, the people from MI UI development team explained a lot about the MI UI 10 features like -1 screen apps and usages, and copying OTP from the message with single click, PNR status checking, and the dedicated IRCTC ticket rendering in message app and dedicated development in MI remote app, and they were already started the development of MIUI 11, and they discussed some key features about that. Everything we discussed, I only mentioned a few of them here, but actually there are a lot. After the presentation there was a question and answer session. In that most of the MI users asked about the ads in MIUI. Some of them complained about the unwanted ads in unwanted place. Also they detail about the ads in MI native app. This discussion around went 20 minutes, and the developer from the MIUI stated that we are working on it and this will be reduced as soon as possible, and they said that we are looking to reduce the ads from their app. I not have asked any single question because I'm not using MIUI, so yeah, that's why. I was using stock Android last 3 years. Now I'm currently moved to Zen UI. This was same like stock Android only, but still I want to switch to stock Android as soon as possible. So that's what about the main theme of the visit. After that I was looking to see one phone, which is Black Shark gaming phone. And the phone is launched in China and it has all the specification to run most of the Android games, not most of the all the Android games. And while handling that phone I felt solid and the fine grip with my hand, and the green S in the back side and the theme are really great. And I noticed that the phone is not running on MIUI, it is Jaw UI 1.0, something really cool. Next thing that I liked is gaming laptops. In the MIUI home in Indiranagar, they allocated a separate individual dedicated place only for gaming laptops. They installed PUBG Mobile. In that place there were two gaming laptops. I hope most of them are similar only, and those specs are enough to run the AAA title games. The build quality is metal and solid finishing. The weight is quite heavy to lift. The trackpad and the RPG color keyboard is insane. I not had too much time to take or conduct the entire test about the laptop. I was randomly checking that. I was moving here to there, and near to the Black Shark mobile there was another mobile called Mi8 Explorer Edition. There are the phone that I have only seen in YouTube reviews. That was good experience while seeing directly through my eyes and holding in my hand. And in another line there are wide range of television with various specification. I not had that much look on it. In earlier video I tried to record the specification of the laser printing arm, but I didn't get the chance to do that. In this meet I had a good chance to record and print on my phone. My phone has polycarbonate back panel, so I was worried while printing that, but it made some smoke and melting smell. That's all. I printed Tech Fanciers in backside. This will reduce the resale value, but do we care about that? After that I had a look at Mi8. It's one of the best phone in my opinion while comparing to Redmi Note 6. It doesn't have a notch, but the software and camera is lit. After that I moved to first floor. There I have examined the experience of the home products and lifestyle, and I like the robotic military tank and the drone. Other than that there are some headphones, pollution mask and trolley bags, and there is one music equipment. I like that a lot, but I don't know what's the name of the equipment. So that's what I look at MI home Indranagar in Bangalore. I tried to cover entire thing in that specific location, but unfortunately not. Especially there is one home theater experience room that I haven't had a look. So if I get any chance to look there, I will definitely make a video on it. So will do. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and also check if the like button is working or not. If it is not working, just let me know. And always know one thing more than others. Signing off. And everyone is going Barcelona and I am visiting Indranagar. Jai Hind.